Thank you. Fuck! Welcome back to my channel today, y'all. So I'm having some impulses and I've decided to cut my locks off. I know. But yeah, I'm sick of these fucking lock extensions. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, I liked them at first, y'all really did, and I highly recommend them to anybody else, but it's the texture for me. Like, it's just not what I thought it was gonna be, and I can't do what I thought I was gonna be able to do with them, and I'm tired of them. So today we're gonna do a little makeover. I'm gonna keep my actual natural locks, and I'm gonna dye my roots, and I'm gonna do some soft locks. So we're gonna see how that turns out. But my friend wanted me to introduce her to y'all, so say hey to my friend. Now I can hear you. Okay.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's girl Key. You know, hey.
What the hell was that? All right, but yeah, that's Key. Hey, that's her. So yeah, we going to the. Oh my fucking god, bitch! Do y'all see this motherfucking spider? Do y'all see this motherfucking spider, bitch? Oh, bitch, you thought you was finna live? You thought you was finna live? I gotta kill you. I gotta kill you. Oh, I gotta kill you. Oh, I gotta kill you. I gotta fuck you up. I gotta fuck you up. Holy shit. Look at my fucking sock. Fuck. Alright, so we just pulled up to the beauty supply store, y'all. They got the bars on the windows. Period. Kiara gotta stay on the phone with me because I'm in the trap. You feel me? So yeah, let's go in here and let's have an adventure. But what did they be like? You can't record it here. Okay. Ooh, it's hot out here. I don't know what to choose from. Oh, I see the spring passion twist in here, Kiara.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Ooh, is these the soft locks right here, or is these not the ones? I got 105 locks. So how many come in each one? They don't tell
But
you.
you're gonna need 105, but you gotta remember you still want them to be long. So you gotta add stuff to the bottom.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, wait. Let me set this up real quickly. I need to count how many is in here. I hope they don't be mad at me for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 5 packs. So I'm gonna get 10 packs in total. Okay. Oh wait, friend. They got the extra long 36-inch ones right here in this pack. So 1, 2, 3, 24, 25, bitch.
Alright, so now get as many that you have locked. And do you feel like you may need to add some too? Because if you need to add some.
Y'all, I do not know why I was listening to Kiara, because y'all gonna see why I should have listened to her, for real.
You need to buy.
I'm gonna just get 5 packs of that. I'm getting 5 packs of that, and then I'm gonna get the hair to wrap around, which is this right here. What a hair color? Y'all ain't got no hair color in here? Stop playing. Oh, this cut off to a whole nother aisle. I'm tired. I don't feel like moving no more. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna pay for this and I'll be back. Y'all, I am upset. All that back there cost $100 and something. It's alright, because I probably spent, you know, less on this than what I was gonna spend originally. So alright, bet. Going to the grocery store. I'll see y'all when I get back home. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all this, but I started taking my locks out, and these are the ones that I'm taking out so far. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what I got left on this side. That's a couple left, but I'm ready to just take them out and get the ball rolling. Like, I mean, I'll probably like, Audrey, what are you doing? But I have to. So we'll talk about it later. We'll talk about it later, I promise. Okay, so I know I'm sitting here and I'm looking crazy as hell, but I took out a lot of them. I still have a good amount left. Why do I have to be the way I am? I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I got one left, and I'm gonna let y'all watch me take this one out. So it was way easier for me to take these out than I thought it was gonna be, y'all. But y'all gotta remember that, like, I made these lock extensions out of bundles, so I'm not saying they were slipping out my head, which they were not. They were not slipping out my head when I was washing my head or anything, but they're very easy to determine my hair from that hair. So boom, bop, bam, period. Look at that. Hey guys, so I went ahead and removed all my locks. So this is what it's giving. I feel great, and I'm so happy that I did this because it just wasn't me, bro. I didn't feel it, but they've definitely grown since, you know, my hair grows really fast. But yeah, I will wash them tomorrow after I color my roots and show y'all what they look like. So one thing I'm gonna tell y'all about this whole lock journey thing is that, like, do it for yourself and do it how you want to do it. Like, if you want to get lock extensions, that's fine, do it. If you don't want to have lock extensions, that's fine. If you want to use only oils to retwist your hair because you don't want buildup, that's fine. If you want to use the latest retwisting products and all that, use it. Do what works for you, and don't let nobody try to tell you that you look a certain type of way, or like that you're unauthentic if you do it a certain type of way. Because y'all, honestly, yes, I took these lock extensions out my head, but who knows what I might put back in, because I still have my original locks from my first set. I might put those back in my head. I don't know. But just go with the flow and love yourself. Like, at the end of the day, who cares what anybody else has to say, okay? I don't believe this in my head. Ooh, why is my forehead burning? 25 minutes. Okay. I was scratching the shit out my scalp. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and wash my hair real good with clarifying shampoo. with clarifying shampoo, and then yeah, I'm gonna come back. So I never got the chance to come back on here and tell y'all, but those lock extensions were a fail. Like, I said lock extensions, the crochet lock things, the distress locks, they were a fail because I did like 1/4 of my head and that shit was so heavy. I was just like dead. I put them in and took them right back out. So just wanted to let y'all know that if you're not used to having stuff in your hair and you don't like heavy things on your head, don't do it, because even those are not light. They lied. I don't know who said it, but they lied. So yeah, as y'all can see though, I done lightened my hair a little bit at the ends just to give it, you know, I'm a blonde girl, so I gave it some blonde light, pure. And yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, update y'all. I'm not doing no retwist or nothing. I washed it real good with some clarifying shampoo. I'll probably retwist it when I need to do like a cute style or something, but right now I want my roots to get nice and strong and thick, so when I do retwist it, it'll be nice and juicy. You feel me? Yeah. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I had to insert this in. I don't know if this is the end of the video or not. I don't know where I'm gonna place it, but just wanted to let y'all know. Period.